Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. First of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section, add account, and select Google. Of course, you will need to be connected to the internet to add a Google account. Next, you will have to enter your email or phone. Next, you have to enter your password. Next, you have to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy of Google. Tap on accept. And that's it. Now your account is added. If you want to remove it, you just tap here. You just tap here on Google and select remove account. Okay. And that's it, account removed. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.